Hey everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today the product we want to share with you is our hot sealing valve assembly, and now let's take a look. Firstly is the outside packages, the blue VCI anti-rust back here. This is the label. On the first line is our Shumatt's brand. The second line is the product code F00VC01051. Actually, local label packages, we support a customized service. Inside is the transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the transportation. Now, 1 layer of oil paper to wrap it up. Each product 6 months warranty time, and for this one, you got the quality guaranteed, and the ply cable injector number for this valve assembly is 044511051, etc. More information, please check the details below this video. And applicable for vehicle carriers may side dispense. This is the valve cavity with the coating figures on the groove and the valve rod here. Actually, if you want to install the valve assembly, first step is make sure the valve cap in the right position. Second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. That's the tips. Okay, so much for today. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. I wish you have a good day. Bye.